Hi there, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Air Lift Loadlifter 5000 adjustable air helper spring set. This kit is going to combine the adjustability of your airbags with the reliability of an internal Jount-style spring that's going to work as an overload spring. So if you don't have enough air pressure in the bags, you'll still have that support from that Jount-style spring. So really nice design here. It is designed for heavy-duty applications such as your 3/4 ton and 1 ton pickup trucks, motorhomes, and commercial trucks. The mounting brackets and included hardware that are there to help you get this mounted in place are designed specifically for your 1973 through 1991 Chevrolet Suburban and GMC Suburban 1500 and 2500. So it's going to be very easy to get these mounted in place on your Chevy or GMC so that you have that extra support there in the back. These do provide a load leveling capacity of up to 5,000 pounds. Now, when you hear that, it's easy to think that that means it's going to increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity by 5,000 pounds, and that's not the case. So these aren't going to add any strength to your setup. So think of them less like a second set of hands that's helping you lift more weight. Think of it more like a back brace. So it's there to help support your suspension system, take some of that strain off of it so it can do its job, just do it better for a longer amount of time. So these are going to do a really good job of helping to reduce that strain on your rear suspension system. The bags will inflate from 5 psi up to 100 psi, and that's going to help you adjust the level that you need so that you can get your vehicle level front to back. If you're hauling a really heavy load, it's going to help reduce that squat in the back end to help maintain safe headlight aim, improve your steering and braking performance. And these can be adjusted independent of each other. So if you've got an off-center load, really heavy toolbox or something on one side, you'll be able to air up the one on that side more so that you can get that support where you need it. On the inside, we do have that internal closed cell urethane Jount spring that is going to act as an overload spring and engage when your current air pressure level isn't enough to support your load. So you can kind of see in that cutaway there what that Jount spring is going to look like. That's going to help better absorb your road shock and minimize your bottoming out. So if you don't have enough air in your bag to support the load that you have, if you're just riding, if you're not carrying a load and you hit a big bump or something, it's going to help engage there. It does provide that progressive support since it's that closed cell urethane. So the more weight you put on it, the stiffer it's going to become. So it's going to provide more support for you. It's actually going to be taller than your factory Jount spring, so it's going to engage sooner. And it is that urethane construction, so it's going to engage more smoothly than rubber Jounces will. So very nice having that inside there. It's also going to serve as a backup. So if for whatever reason you get a leak in your bag or the bag fails, it's going to allow you to carry your load with 0 air pressure in your springs, which of course is not recommended. You always want to have at least 5 pounds of air pressure in your bags here to make sure that they're not going to collapse on themselves. But having that internal Jount spring there is going to help give it temporary support if something were to go wrong. So you can see we do have these inflation valves here, and they do include the line to run this back typically to your bumper, so it's going to be easy to access to air them up. So manually you can inflate them side to side as much as you need to for that off-center kind of balance. We do have compressor systems available that will allow you to control your air pressure from the comfort of your cab if you're wanting to monitor or adjust the air pressure. Typically, the downside to those is that they will combine the lines so that you're getting the same amount of pressure in each bag, which is going to take away some of that adjustability. Well, it's going to take away the adjustability from or side to side, inflating one more than the other for those off-center loads. But it is going to add the convenience of not having to worry about finding a compressor on a gas station on the side of the road, something like that. It'll make it much easier for you to adjust it from the comfort of your cab. Of course, like I said, that is sold separately, so it's just an add-on. This system is going to be a manual system, so you'll run the airline back to typically your bumper so that you can access it pretty easily back there, fill up your bags as you need to. These bags are a nice high quality construction, so they are going to last you a nice long time. They're constructed of a 2-ply fabric reinforced rubber, so it's going to be very durable. This does also have the Airlift exclusive upper and lower roll plates that protect the air springs from damage, help to extend the life of the suspension system. These do also have the high-strength Zettel nylon end caps that are going to be lighter, stronger, and actually more corrosion-resistant than steel. So they are going to hold up really well, do a great job for you. The urethane internal jounts requires no maintenance, so it's kind of just a set it and forget it option for you there. So you always have that support. Even if you forget to air up your bags, you'll always have those in there working for you to help support your load. And those are going to do a great job no matter what the temperature, if it's super hot outside or if you're working out in the freezing cold temperatures, that internal jounce bumper spring is going to work really well for you. And this whole kit is made here in the USA, so you can trust it's made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. And this does come with a limited lifetime warranty, so if you were to have any problems with it, you're more than welcome to reach out to us here at Etrailer.com. We're always happy to work with our customers to make sure you're getting good quality products and having a good experience. Like I said, they do include instructions and all the hardware that you're going to need to get this all installed. So definitely a neat project to work on in the garage or something like that to help increase that support for your rear suspension system. So that completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.